Parenting in sobriety. Let me just share with you a few ways that being sober and being a parent is better than being a drinker and trying to be a parent. First and foremost, you're more loving. It's hard to love your kids when you are stuck in addiction, only thinking about alcohol. When we can't even take care of ourselves, how can we love each other, love our kids even more, and love them well? It's impossible. We have more patience. We are not as irritable. We're not worried about our next drink. We can give them the benefit of the doubt. We can deal with their attitudes with grace. It's not easy, especially if you have teenage kids. I have a preteen daughter. I mean, she's 10, but she's been preteen for 2 years now. So you can pretty much say that the teenage years last like 10 years. I mean, basically from like 8 to 18. I've been through it 3 other times before. So now I kind of know what to expect. Quite honestly, it's a blessing to be able to be sober and be a parent to her. Just being patient, less irritability, we can love them more. Those are just the first few things. When we're stuck in our addiction, and if you drank like I did, you drank really just to cope with life, cope with people, cope with your mental well-being, cope with the things that we could not deal with without alcohol. We felt like we needed it. We feel like we need if you're stuck in it right now, God bless you for being here. I'm so glad that you're here. My name is Josh, living life alcohol-free. I started this channel a little bit over a year ago to kind of help people get sober, stay sober, tell my story, and see if anybody resonates with it. If you do, I can really offer you some support, some guidance, some tips, some tricks on how to get and stay sober. I've got many videos on it already, hundreds, and I'm going to continue making more. Stay with me. Please like and subscribe. Please comment below where you are in your sober journey. If you're willing and looking to get sober, why you want to get sober, what are the benefits of sobriety, any of those things. But specifically tailored to this video is being a parent in sobriety. The culture we live in is one that revolves around alcohol. I don't see it as much as I did early on in my sobriety, but I still see that people meet up and to drink. People meet up and celebrate and go to funerals. I mean, people use it to do all kinds of things. Alcohol is the focal point in a lot of these events. And if you can make it through some of these events not drinking and make it through a few days and a week and a few weeks without drinking, and kind of reassess where you are and see how you feel. If you feel better not drinking, like I went kind of on a month-to-month basis. I started out, I didn't even plan on quitting drinking. I really wanted to just feel better, and I hadn't tried not drinking. I mean, I really only went like a week without alcohol a few times in my life, and that was usually just because I had a huge hangover. If you can make it like a week and reassess, you can notice that you're feeling better and then give it another week. I typically went month by month my first year. My goal was to make it to a year and experience everything that life threw at me, all the events in life, all the holidays that we go through on a calendar year without alcohol, and see how I handle it, see if I feel better. The honest to God truth is, living life alcohol-free isn't scary. It's freedom. It's better. We don't have to think about it anymore. Alcohol isn't on my radar anymore. Now, I do think about it in terms of making these videos, but as far as having cravings for it, those went away. I mean, I still had ideas and thoughts of drinking like in the first 3 months or so, but they got better after that, because I kind of rewired my brain and decided every time I made it through an urge to drink, I was stronger for the next one. I needed a group of people. I had This Naked Mind by Annie Grace. I jumped on her community right away the first week. I read the book, and I got on the This Naked Mind community, the app, At the time it was just a website, but now it's an app, so you can get on there and check that out. I've also got a group, Sobriety in the Storm. It's on Facebook. It's a private group. I'll pin the link in the comments below. Let us know where you are with your journey. Do you want to quit drinking? Why do you want to be a better parent? Do you feel like you're not doing your best? Do you feel like you're waking up every day hungover, feeling like you can do better, but you're stuck and you don't know how to get out of that? When we're wrapped up in addiction, it's impossible to see that. It's hard to imagine a life where we're not drinking, especially if we have friends that we get together with that are all drinkers. It's impossible to break free from that mindset. The best thing I can tell you is, for me, I was blessed because I quit during the pandemic. I quit 6 weeks after the pandemic started. There wasn't socializing much, at all for like 90 days, at least for a while. I went back to work after 90 days and I was around people again. We still did like Zoom family meetings and things like that for like 6 months. We really didn't get together, so I really didn't have those triggers, and that was a blessing. I would have had to actively go up to the store to buy the alcohol and bring home, so I didn't have to contend with that. If you're just starting out, I would say don't have alcohol in your house. Don't hang out with the people that are drinking, at least for like a month. Make it your goal to change those pathways, those neural pathways, and just look at life like you're bettering yourself. That's really all we can do. We can't control what happens on the outside. We can only control us and what we do. So if you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I've actually downloaded the app Buy Me a Coffee. I think I'm going to start using that here shortly, just to see if I can get some donations and keep this channel going, make some more videos for you guys. And I have a passion for it. I love doing this. I love talking about sobriety, faith, and how I was able to find a better way, a better life in it. There is hope. Take solace in the fact that you're here. You're doing great just by thinking about quitting drinking. Have a great day, everybody, and we'll talk to you soon.